Some Empower documents have revision tracking enabled, which lets you keep track of the changes that you and others make to the document. To turn on revision tracking, click this button on the Review tab. You can see markup for the changes as you make them. The level of detail in the markup is based on the revision view that you select. You can see all the markup, all the changes without markup, or the original document. You can move between unaccepted changes by using these navigation buttons. Use these buttons to accept or reject the active change. To see a list of all the changes in the document, click this button to open the Revisions pane. Here, you can navigate between changes and then accept or reject them. If you make changes to variable values, you will see both the original and updated values side by side in the Revisions pane.